Hello guys, welcome to this platform. Very many people have been asking me questions regarding user interface developments in Java. So I've decided to dedicate these tutorials to teaching you how we can develop these interfaces. First, I'll start by teaching you how to develop component by component. We will first develop these individual components one by one. Then we will learn how these components interact with each other or communicate with each other. Then from there we will proceed to bring these components together so that we can form a fully functioning project. There is this project I've been working on for some few months back, which I would like to share with you so that I can give you an overview of what we can do using these components. So let me start by running this project so that you can have a look at it. First it will ask me for login credentials. So hope you can see my screen. This is a point of sale system. So it will be displaying here the products in the system available for sale. Here we'll be having the cart section. So we will be able to add these products to the cart section by simply clicking on them. So once I click on this, I think you are able to see that it's added to the cart section, and it is able to show you the number of items available for sale, the subtotal, the products available in the stock, the unit price, the quantity to be sold, and the grand total here. So I can increase the quantity to sell from here. So if I make it 2, you see that the subtotal has been modified. Also the grand total has been modified. If you try to sell the quantity which is more than the quantity available in stock, let me see what will happen. For example, if I say I want to sell 9 pieces, automatically the system will show you that the product is out of stock. If you say okay, it will reset the product to be sold. It will reset the quantity to 1, and also it will reset the grand total and the subtotal. So if you want to add this product again, for example, if you click on it again to add it, the system will show you that the product already exists in the cart. So in case you want to increase quantity, you increase from the cart table. That means I can come to the cart table and say, let me make this 3. So you see that once I make this 3, the subtotal changes and the grand total changes. So let me add another product, for example, 7-Up soda. So you see that once I add, the number of items in the cart are modified. Also the total changes. Also, in circumstances where you have very many items in the system, or whereby you need to speed up your operations, you can just come here and you search for the item. For example, I can say I need ice cream. It will display ice cream. I'll click on it and ice cream will be added to the cart. So if you want to display all the products, you just have to click everything in the search field. So coming to the cart section, we have this area whereby we can find a client. This is more useful in case you are selling to people, in case you are giving out a date, or in case you want to track your clients, like how often do they buy from you. We have this payment method which enables you to select either you are selling, they are giving you cash, or they are taking, either they are giving you cash or you are giving out a loan, like they are taking goods, they are taking dates. So if you want to clear everything from the cart, you just have to clear all and everything will be cleared. If you want to sell, you can just click here on checkout. Once you check out, a sale will be created, and also the system will prompt you to print a receipt. Since we don't have a printer connected, we will just save this to the desktop. So let me proceed to save to the desktop. So it will ask me the name. Let me say test 3. I'll save. So let me go to the desktop to see our receipt. When I go to the desktop, test 3 is here. Once I open it, we'll be able to see the products which we have sold. So let me go back to the system. So this is the seller section, but it's worth noting that this system also has the admin section. From the admin section, that is where we can create the users from. We can create the clients from there. We can add the products to the system through the admin section. So also I'll be sharing with you the admin section so that we can get the overview or the entire picture of this project and how it works. So guys, thank you. I think